Hello friends, in this tutorial I will describe one of the new features of PHP 8.4, Asymmetric Visibility. Before discussing asymmetric visibility, let's quickly define access specifiers. Public, accessible from anywhere, inside and outside the class. Protected, accessible only within the class and by derived child classes. Private, accessible only within the class in which it is defined. Summary table. Now let's discuss asymmetric visibility. Asymmetric visibility allows class properties to define their visibility, public protected or private, based on the read or write context. Example of asymmetric visibility are public properties that can only be changed from within the class. If I write this code, after running, this is the result. If I try to set this property, you will get a visibility error. Because public properties that can only be changed within a private context are the most common use case for asymmetric visibility, there's also a shorthand available, same as public-private set. Class properties must have a type to define separate visibility, and the set visibility must be the same as or more restrictive than get. Let's look at an example. Now you will get this error.